5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Start when the petitioner's husband was returning home after completing his work. An overhead electric wire fell on him stove. However, an attempt has been made to rescue, but he died due to electrocution stove. Medical officer has clearly noticed electric burn injuries and certified that the death was due to electrocution stove. Thus, there cannot be any dispute about the cause of death stove. In their counter affidavits, the respondents have denied the negligence on the ground that due to unprecedented heavy rain, the electric lines were mutilated and in the result the accident had occurred stove. They also stated that the electric lines were properly connected stove. So far as the maintenance of the overhead electric wires and the consequential liability of the electricity board to pay compensation in case of death are concerned, there are many instances where the objections against claimed maintenance have been rejected. So, death due to electrocution is an admitted fact. So, fall of electric wire on the petitioner is also an admitted fact. So, when the petitioner's husband had not committed any act contrary to law or the provisions of the Electricity Act, and when the death had occurred due to fall of electric wire, there is no need for the petitioner to go before the civil court and establish the cause of death or negligence. So, it does not matter that whether the death had not occurred due to negligence of the petitioner. So, indisputably, the accident had occurred due to fall of electric wire over him stove. Therefore, this court has no hesitation to hold that the officers of Electricity Board were negligent in properly maintaining the electric wire stove. It has seen that the mandatory safety measures stipulated under Rule 91 of the Indian Electricity Rules 1956 were not complied with by the respondent's stove. In other case, the petitioner's husband went out to procure milk from the nearby Saras milk booth stove. It is the case of the petitioner that there was heavy rain, and when her husband was passing near a tea shop, he had to step on the live wire and was thrown out due to electrocution stove. A boy who tried to pull him out was also electrocuted stove. 2 hours later, electric supply was disconnected stove. In the meantime, the petitioner's husband died stove. It was found that there was blackening and charring on the skin stove. The cause of death was due to electrocution. Stop. Over.